Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Candice and I am out here with my chickens today. As you know, I am a chicken lover and I am always looking for a way to entertain my chickens, give them something new, something to play with, something to relax on. And so today is the day that I am going to make them a new outdoor roost. I used to have a kids play slide in their coop and they loved roosting on top of it, but there was a flat platform and so that really just became a poop cesspool. So I ended up taking that out and getting rid of it because it was too much maintenance. They loved it, but like I said, it was poopy. And then we had this pallet set up and we had originally set that up to go over their water in the winter to keep it clear, and then they ended up using that to roost on, and once again with the flat platform it became real poopy. So we're gonna try something new. So right here you can kind of see where it's drying up now is where we had that slide, and then we had the pallet just over here next to their watering station, and that's drying up nicely now. That was kind of a mess, but if you look over here we have a nice shady area. It's all covered by trees, so they get lots of protection from aerial predators, which is important around here. And so right here is going to be the site of the new roost that I built for them. The first item that I need to build the new roost is some cinder blocks, which are really heavy. So I'm going to go grab the wagon so that I can pull them over to the coop. So I've got my wagon and I'm going to head over here behind the barn where we keep our cinder blocks. Doesn't everybody keep a pile of cinder blocks behind their barn? Just kidding. It actually was a pile of cinder blocks that we used for our arch for maple syrup before we got our new one, which is fantabulous. So I will link a video to that down below. So here's my cinder block pile. I'm gonna find a few that are in good shape. This one right here on top doesn't look too bad. I think I'll take that one first. All right, I've got 4 cinder blocks loaded in my wagon and I'm gonna get them over to the coop. Maybe. Oh, they're still heavy in the wagon. All right, we're off to the coop with our cinder blocks. All right, chickies, here's the start of your roost. I hope you love it. There's a couple different ways that I had in mind to do this. So you might see me do one way and then switch it to another way because I'm not real sure which way I'm gonna like best. It just depends on the direction of the cinder blocks. All right, I got my cinder blocks set up about where I think that I want them. Now I'm gonna go get a couple 2x4s. My next step is I'm going to take the 2x4s and put them in the holes of the cinder blocks so that they're up off the ground. And I can see that I'm going to need to move the cinder blocks a little bit closer. I had them a little too far apart. So So this is the first idea I had, and looking at it, I'm going to try the other way just to see which way I like better. And I'm almost contemplating putting it another cinder block higher. We'll see. I don't want to make it unstable, so we'll see. Okay, honestly, I think this is less stable and it's not much different. So I'm mixing this one already. I think I've decided to try another cinder block higher and see how I like that. So I'm taking my wagon. I'm gonna go get 2 more cinder blocks. Well, there you go. I think I made up my mind with the final design. I went 1 more cinder block up just so they were a little further off the ground. And now my chickens have something new to play on and relax on. As you can see, a lot of what I do is trial and error, but I think that this trial worked out pretty well. It's not flashy, but I think they'll like it. I think once I fly the coop, no pun intended, these chickies will probably be getting up here on their new roost. So we will just wait and see. Well, my chickies are enjoying their new roost. That makes me so happy. I just like to keep them happy and healthy and entertained. And I can't wait to see the new chickies in this pen and see how they enjoy the roost too. So hang tight, in a couple months we'll be merging our chickens together. Thanks for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit the bell for notifications. And I will catch you on the next one. What do you think, everybody? You want a new roost?